Welcome, hunters. So we got GameStop is about to break an important support around the 23. What's gonna be for today for GameStop? Will be really tricky time for GameStop. We got almost 4 tests for the $23. We might see a huge dip for today for GameStop after a huge pump yesterday. Almost 50%. CVNA is in a midway. FRC testing our resistance and getting rejected once again. We had unusual price action yesterday before the market closed. Tesla, Nvidia, all blue chip company went down. All the market went down. We see a bit of sell-off, but the price recovered in pre-market. Now we have a mini gap for Nvidia, for Tesla, for Meta, for AMD. So we have to watch out for continuation for this price action. Yeah, Mulan jumped almost 16% yesterday. Huge volume, almost half a billion. And continuation down 16%. Ouch. This is really disgusting chart here. Doesn't look good for Mulan after we broke the 18 cent. HKD as well, still continue for new low. We got increase in revenue for AMTD. Yeah, this is the reason, the meeting. And Mulan keeping diluting the price action. Yeah, price dilution. So we got Yeah, the Federal Reserve just raised the interest rate a quarter of percent. Wednesday is the ninth increase in about a year. Wow, this is madness. Yeah, we have a bit of anticipation from the traders. Welcome, brother. Zuba. I can't find this stock. We got ADN semiconductor pumping 33%. Yeah, this one looking interesting. We had a bottom around the $1.14. Now testing an important resistance around the $1.70. Interesting play for this. We might have a continuation for this one around the 2. In the time being, we might see a drawback because we already have overextension for the price. We got ADN. The other one on our list, we got SQZ. 31%, 60 cents. Great earnings, bad revenue. Box is still pumping from the bottom. Yesterday we did 50% and today 28%. Yeah, this one jumped from the bottom yesterday, 33%, VORB. It's still heavily shorted. That's That's why I put alert around the 84. We're a bit far from there, so we'll keep watching this one, but not today. We need another jump, almost 30%. And the time being, we're watching CVNA for a potential breakout from the $9.30, but we are in midway. 4%. Yesterday we gave a lot of profit back. A lot of profit, 21%. Yeah, GameStop looks still interesting play. Holding for the dear life. The $23. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? $23. Welcome, John. Welcome, my brother. BlackBerry in the news today. Theo, great question, guy. Great question. How I find the support and resistance. That's why I'm trying to do a masterclass now for a beginner friendly masterclass in order to like how to draw support and resistance, how to know where the profit taken, and risk management, all those things. And it's kind of it's tricky at the beginning. Of course, I've been in this situation to find the support and resistance. It sounds easy, but in live chart is really tricky. That's why we have to build our skills from the ground up, because if I told you here and there and then you try to do it by yourself, you're never gonna find the support and resistance, because the market is alive, everything is moving, and sometimes we don't have the same kind of reaction happening for the other stock. So that's why it's not easy to say just buy here and sell there and this is the support and that this is the resistance. It's like driving a car. I can teach you how to drive the car, but there's circumstances that make you make an accident. So it depends on you. It depends on your vigilance. It depends on other factors that happen in front of you. So it's not teaching you how to find the support and resistance. I'm trying to teach you how to prevent an accident from happening. And this is really important, really, really important in trading. It's not easy as it sounds, but it's like driving a car, driving a bicycle. It's really hard at the beginning, but will be automatic later on. But yeah, I'm gonna do a masterclass for that, or even a video to discuss those level of support and resistance. And we're gonna do these videos first on our Patreon and Discord, because we've been asked a lot about how to find the support and resistance. This is a really great question from TUV. TUV, thank you for bringing this question. Hi, thank you, brother. Thank you. No coffee for me today. It's really hard when you drink coffee, then you stop drinking coffee. You see the effect, you see the effect really visible. Because coffee can give you energy, and hyper focus energy. When you don't drink coffee, it kind of affects your concentration. TMPO. Yesterday we jumped 26 around the $1. We got the $1 for this one. Yeah, it's light on volume, guys, for this one. It's easily manipulated for this one. Yeah, we got the $1 as a resistance. It's been tested yesterday. Interesting. This one look interesting. TMPO. Volume is still light on this one. That's why we didn't break the $1 resistance yesterday. Price have a great kick, but got destroyed by this resistance, the $1.04. So we need to break the $1 to have a continuation toward $1.47 and the $2.84. Zora went up. Yeah, new IBO for this one. Went from the 7 until the 36. It happened in the 22nd of March. Yesterday. The IBO was on Tuesday. Yeah, just few days. Interesting. 300%. 300% yesterday. 300%. Now we have a bit of drawback. We might see a pullback down because it's overextended. Yeah, huge pullback will happen pretty soon for this one. I expect a huge pullback when the market open for this one. If we broke the 26, we're gonna have the 16 after that. Yeah, 1655 would be interesting level to hold for Zora or ZURA. Interesting play, interesting. You know, interesting now. We went until the 36. Yeah, it's overextended now. We got an acquisition news for this stock, biotech stock. Always biotech stock pumping like this. They have unusual movements because they trigger the FOMO part of people and traders. After great news like acquisition or FDA approval, those kind of movement happen in just one day, 300%, 500%. However, more often than not, the price can't hold this FOMO price and the bubble will burst and the price crashing down. So we don't want to have this to Zora. It happened for a lot of stocks. So if we don't want to have this for Zora, we need to hold above the 16. Then we're gonna have a reversal. This would be a great entry. We might have this when the market open. So be ready for that. I will put it around 25 for trigger sell-off. And another one to trigger breakout around the 34.40. Let's check Zora. Yeah, we don't have it here. AI 2%. FRC is still consolidating between the resistance and the support. $13 should be respected for today as a support to break the 1474. CVNA is still in the middle. GameStop still holding the 23. We might see a big sell-off for GameStop. Yeah. How long until another bank failure? TikTok. I thought like you talk about TikTok, the application. Oh man, yeah, the banking system, they are now in anticipation mode. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm checking SMX. Light volume, light volume, light volume. Yeah, still $1.50. We pumped almost 10% for this one. Yeah, John, we already discussed this one. We said the $1.50 should be a trigger for today. Not this one. SMX. SMX. Yeah, this one. Light volume 48% in pre-market. This one jumping 48%. Yesterday 24% down. Today is different story because some whale buying this one. We might have a really good pump until the $2.40 for this. This would be great. Really great if we have this. Now it's almost 50%. Let me check here. Yeah, we might have 110% for this one to go toward the 240. SMX looking good. Hi Angelo. Yes, this is back to green. Only green. Let's hunt. Mango prediction for GameStop. Yeah, is on our watch list. Is still hugging our support. Sunray, yeah, coffee reduce oxygen to the brain. Yeah, you know, there's interesting point. I was searching about the history of coffee and the history of innovation for human being or humankind, and there's a strange connection between the discovery of caffeine or coffee and the new generation of new civilization regarding new invention, new discovering the light bulb and whatever. So there's a switch between human evolution regarding new tech and new discoveries and the discovery of coffee. And it was a really great connection because when I checked it, it was really crazy, really remarkable, because a lot of people made this connection, or make coffee is the reason that a human being actually went to the other level. So coffee is really crazy important to have this kind of way of thinking. GameStop is breaking this support. I wish if we had this break when the market opened, so we could actually short GameStop. Now it's already shorted down. Let's see. Yeah, game over for GameStop. 22.62, 22.50. GameStop. We're gonna have a huge sell-off when the market open because we broke the 23. Risky, guys, risky. This one is really risky. We might have a huge dip now when the market open because we just few minutes away from the market open. Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge sell-off for GameStop when the market opened because we broke the 23. So expect the price reverse here. 20 and 18. 20 and 18. Watch out. 20 and 18. Okay, we got 1 minute left. Remember, day trading is risky. And do your due diligence before you put your own money on the table. Let's get right to it. GameStop is going up a bit. We'll have a test here for this resistance. If we got rejected, it means continuation down. Let me just put alert here for a huge breakout. CVNA, FRC still, AI is still, Zora is going down, SMX. So GameStop looking interesting. GameStop looking interesting. Testing the breakout zone 23. Let's see what's gonna happen here. If we get rejected, boom, price will continue to go down. Always the first minute is decisive. because this is where the whale come in. Okay, test, and we might see a continuation down if we don't break this level of resistance at 23. This is it. GameStop is testing. Wow, FRC is pumping. It's about to break the 1474. Interesting play for FRC. GameStop is still fighting. This is the last fight, guys. If we get rejected here, boom, price will get shorted once again. FRC looking really interesting. We had a test here, double test before the market open, and now 1478 will confirm a breakout. You see, the market is undecisive now. The market is undecisive. Zora is hitting our scan. Yeah, got shorted. We're gonna have a huge selling pressure now for Zora toward the 16. Let me put it on the 17 just in case. Now we're gonna have a huge selling pressure for Zora. Light volume, really light volume on this one. FRC, huge wick toward the 1478. GameStop is stopping near the resistance. FRC is going down. Yeah, FRC is going down. CVNA, okay, CVNA still holding the $8.41. Okay, CVNA looking interesting. FRC, GameStop. So CVNA looking interesting. We already did a trade yesterday. Quick trade from this level, the $9.30. We exited here before the selling pressure. You see what happened? Boom. Now we have interesting support above the $8.40. If we hold this, we're gonna have a continuation up. This is it for CVNA. $8.39 should be the bottom. $9.39 should be a breakout zone toward the $9.89. Yeah, the market is undecided yet. You know what? Let's open a bit of small position here. If we try to enter now, $8.39, $8 here, not the distant brother. $8. Wait a second, what's going on here? KC. Wow, this one is pumping. How much? 8%. Volume light. This is one is a bit dicey. Yeah, we pumped from the bottom, $3.75. It's still pumping. We got earnings just in 6 days for KC. Oh, King Soft Cloud. I know, yeah, man, this sound is really annoying. I know, but this is in TradingView you can actually have this alert. If you want to change it, you have to do it manually, you know, for each stock, so I'll just leave it be. Anyway, so KC, we got alert here. GameStop, okay, it's breaking. Now is tricky. Now it's tricky for GameStop. We have a breaking for the support, then actually going down and breaking. This price action happened in pre-market, so we got some manipulation happening in pre-market, which is drove the price down to make people panic selling, but the price didn't go down because most who hold in GameStop, they're not technical analysts, they just buy and hold. So this price action that happened here didn't fool the traders or the ape. That's why the price didn't have a panic selling. So there's a manipulation, guys. There's a manipulation happening for GameStop. That's why we have a pump now. CVNA doing all right. CVNA, but still in midway between this support and resistance. We don't have a confirmation. FRC is going down. AI is going up, of course. Yeah, FRC got rejected 2 times around the 1478. So you know what we should do for FRC? Now I don't suggest to buy or even averaging down because we don't have a clear indication for strength. If we clear this area, it will be a good for entry, but now in midway here we don't have a confirmation yet because the price in midway between the support and resistance. The support for today should be over the $13 to confirm a breakout for the 1478, because if we held this area is mean accumulation, and next time we're gonna have a break for our resistance, the 1478, and going higher. That's why I put alert from above and below for FRC. CVNA, yeah, we have a bit of drawback, still undecided yet as well for CVNA. We're watching for the $9.30 break. Zora halted up. Zora halted up. Yeah, it went down then halted up. I prefer going down for Zora around this area would be really good to buy, but not at this price action. Here is a bit high. It's a bit tricky. Yesterday 300%. It's too much for the stock to pump and span a few days like this. So we need a healthy pullback, you know, toward this box for a good entry. Already put alert from above and below. If we have a breakout from above, we'll be notified. CVNA still holding. Still holding. FRC still continue to go down. Santana box 50% up. %, yeah, it's pumping. Box is pumping officially. Going toward the 34. Here we're gonna have a rejection. Watch out, guys. This is a rejection. This is a rejection area and profit taking, of course. The support we already held it, which is above this current level, the 20 cent. Yeah, box looking interesting play. Interesting. Really interesting. Yeah, we about to get rejected big time for boxed. We are about to get rejected big time. Yeah, we got two levels, the 33 and the 44. I'm not even joking, guys. I didn't put those numbers from my head. So we got 33 and 44 tests. The first test has been tested now near the 33. So be careful here. We have to have a reversal. This is normal because we're already 72%. So BOXD is pumping. We got earnings, I think. Yeah, we got earnings, but still is in negative, so it's not relevant. We got some news. So this is strange because we got some news 5 days ago around expect to file is not currently expect to file the 2022 Form 10K before the 15-day extension period. So I think we got the 10K filing for box, and the result looking good because they got some extensions to file their 10K, and the 10K filing is really important for many stocks to show the investors how healthy the stock is. So we see that the 10K filing were really good for box and actually showed that investors that box is undervalued and oversold. You see what's happened here. Box was beginning this year around almost the $1, and we went until the 9 cents. So you see what's happening here. Oversold, price got squeezed from below, and now started to get rejected around the 33. First profit taken, then the 44, after that the 73. Accumulation below the level of resistance for BOXD. CVNA looking interesting now. CVNA is pumping. GameStop, FRC. Okay, we have something going on for CVNA. GameStop, GameStop, GameStop. It's going up. We losing some momentum for BOXD because we're getting near this potential resistance. Volume not bad, almost 11 million. SMX going down. And Zora is going up. We might see red to green for this one. The volume is light, so I don't suggest to trade it because if you get in, it's really hard to get out, and it's tricky regarding trading it because it's easy manipulated. You see here barcoding before. So yeah, it's pretty risky. It's the same as HKD. We have light volume and price getting halted up and down many times. So it's really risky. If you want to trade it, don't put a lot of money in it because everything goes. TRKA just jumped 4%. Yeah, not that bad, but still, guys, is not looking good because we broke in the 20 cent. Now where we are in midway, I expect the price to go toward the 13 and the 12, not in between. I don't like this kind of pumped like here. This is a fake out. This is a bull trap because in the big picture it's still bearish. I don't suggest to buy now. So we got an interesting level of resistance. We might see a test for below the 20. Boom, continuation down. So we already have alerts. That's why we didn't do update for TRK, because the alert didn't get tested yet. Okay, box is going down. Let me just check. Yeah, we have an accumulation, guys, around the 33. Should be a breakout. Interesting, what's going on here? Yeah, BOXD, a lot of momentum trader trading this one. Yeah, it's bumping. All right, it's bumping. Let me just check. Okay, now it's 33. We don't have continuation now. Okay, we have a continuation. Let's see. Now, you know what we should do? We have a test here. Let's see a continuation. 29.80. $37. We had our test here. around our EMA, so that's why we have a bit of wick. Let's see another test for this level of breakout. We need the 37 next time. $37 would be good. Okay, we got a fake out. 15, 14. Yeah, huge wick here. Yeah. Okay, short came in. BOXD. A lot of momentum trader hunting for this one. Toward the 32.90. Yeah, there's a big seller around the 33. That's why we have this wick, but the price is still holding. Let me go in a smaller picture and see what's going on. 77%. We need the 37. $79% now. Yeah, boxed BOXD is still testing the resistance around the 33. Yeah, the 33 was profit taken and resistant. We have a wick and the price went until the 34 and went down. So now is a tricky because the price didn't have a sell-off, at the same time is accumulating below the resistance. So there's something about to happen here. We need to have another test because the next test will have a huge wick and breakout. Because if we didn't, we're gonna have test for the 28 and then continue to go down. So we need to hold the 28 now. 28 as a support. Wow, still testing the 33. We got really good accumulation here. Price is getting squeezed. Price is getting squeezed now. Yeah, 33. Let's see a breakout now. This is it. We need the 37. We need a 37. Come on, BOXD is hugging our resistance. Let's see. I think there's a big seller now. I think there's a big seller. Okay, big buyer now. 1,200K. It's got swallowed by a big seller. Another big buyer around the 3150. Okay. Price is still holding, even though we have huge selling pressure from the 33. So the 33 is the profit taken and the resistance after all. That's why we have a struggle. We said the 33, then the 44. Yeah, we have two levels. 33 got rejected. Yeah, I think got rejected now. Yeah, I think we got rejected after this wick. We have just mini tests here around above the 33. Price didn't hold. Still accumulating. Last try to break. Not on my watch, short sellers say. Yeah, price went down. Still accumulating. So you know what's gonna happen now? We might see a drawback until the 25.33. So this should be a current support for BOXD after it got rejected around the 33. So we expect the price continue to go down toward the 25.33, then retest the 33. So this is the support now, and the breakout zone confirmed around the 33, where the huge seller are heavily positioned. Zora's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Huge selling pressure because we tested this ascending channel from above. That's why we put alert here around the 34.41. AI is going up, slow and steady. CVNA now, GameStop no. So the only stock that have action is BOXD actually. It's still accumulating, so there's a potential to break the 33 now. There's a potential still. So let us put alert around the 33 and another alert around the 26 just in case if we have a dip. Yeah, CVNA is frozen between the heaven and hell, in between. Yeah, CVNA is frozen. GameStop is frozen. FRC is frozen. Everything is frozen. AI is going up. And Box is kind of frozen below the resistance. But we don't have a sell-off because there's a big buyer on the 25. There's a big buyer. BBY. Yeah, BBY is tricky now. We got some levels here. We might see a break from this level pretty soon. Yeah, interesting play now. We got some interesting thing going on. The $1 is the breakout. KC. Wow. So for BBY 3% up, but still we inside this flag. There's a potential breakout. There's a potential breakout. So I'm watching for a test from this flag down, then continue to go higher. So the $1.03 is the squeeze for BBY. Otherwise, continuation down, guys. Continuation for this film pressure down. If we broke this flag down, this is really interesting. Really interesting play now. And BOXD got shorted around our profit taking the 33. So the 33 was our resistance, as we said it, when the price actually was accumulating. Now is shorted. Yeah, now it's shorted. Yeah, now it's clear short. Now it's clear short for BOXD. CVNA, GameStop, CVNA, and FRC. Okay, we got Square, top gainer for today, or volume gainer, but got shorted big time. Square 19%. Wow, Wow, this is crazy. I think we're gonna go toward the 35 this time. If we broke the 51, yeah, doesn't look good. Tesla looking really interesting, 3%. Tesla looking really interesting. Breaking the 200 today will be a great pump for Tesla. Coinbase 15% down because Bitcoin is going down. AMD is going up. We got Nvidia is going up as well. New high. Baba is going up 4%. Neo 2%. Marathon, yeah, digital holding is about to break a new level, guys. Mara doing really great, 7%. This one is heavily traded. Mara, M-A-R-A. So Mara looking interesting for a break for the $9.30. Might see a huge pump for this one. AMC finally it's pumping 5%, but I'm not interested in this level. This one is offering, that's why jumping 52% on light volume. This one is jumping 46, but yeah, light volume as well. C-Bio, not good. This one. Starbucks looking good, guys, 15%. Wow, Starbucks looking good because we got great earnings. Starbucks. Zora's going down. Now officially going down. Now officially is going down toward this box. So it's halted down, halted up, and now halted down once again. ZURA. And everything happened with just 200k worth of volume. So we expect after unhalt a huge pump down toward the 18 and the 16. Boom. BOXD got rejected right around our level of profit taking, the 33. And yeah, we didn't have a breakout. We have a fake out. Price went down after the first minute. Okay, CVNA is moving. CVNA is moving. CVNA and GameStop and FRC. Okay, all of them, the three of them, they are kind of still in testing mode. We don't have a continuation. We don't have like a bull run for them because they are below an important resistance. For BOXD is pulling back because it tested the resistance around the 33. Now we have another test. We might have another test for BOXD. Still not over yet. It's normal that we have this pullback because we already jumped almost over 100% or 70%. Yeah, TRKA is getting near the 20 cents. We might see a rejection here. The 20 cents should be a rejection area. So here is a rejection. If we got rejected here for TRKA, it's mean continuation down. Just watch out. If we got rejected here below the 20 cents, boom, it's mean continuation down. This is really critical now for TRKA. BOXD is, yeah, it's still holding. We don't have a continuation down, but holding up after this selling pressure. Let me just check how much we went down. Almost 15%. You know what's happening to CVNA? The market maker don't want to buy bulk to trigger the FOMO price and jumping over the resistance. Instead, they buying small position. That's why the price kind of crawling up slowly. Yeah, we have some whale adding a position slowly for CVNA before the $9.30. SMX 25. Well, we give half of the profit that we did today for SMX. We have a huge selling pressure. Now we filling kind of this gap. $1.18. We got the $2.40 as a squeeze for SMX. $2.40 as a squeeze. The support is really tricky because this stock has been barcoding for some time, so it's been manipulated by the market maker. This is algo trading, this is not human trading. That's why we don't have a clear support for this one. We got the $1.17, but we might break it now. So this one is a bit tricky. However, already dipped below the $1. So we might see a sell-off if we broke the $1 once again. So now we're testing this level. $1.17, as we said, is not strong support. The level that have a confirmation for us to have a squeeze and the potential really mega squeeze is the $2.40. It's profit taken, of course, and squeeze. But the support is still not clear yet. The $1.17 should be a support. But as so, it's not strong support. Now we bouncing from the $1.17. Will be really good if we actually bounce from the $1.17. We went until the $1.60 for today. FRC is going up. CVNA doing all right, and BOXD got shorted once again. BOXD is gonna get shorted until the 25. Here we gonna have a reversal for BOXD. Okay, so got rejected around our resistance at 33. TRKA is going down. Yes, it's going down. 19, guys, 1967 is a rejection. That's why the price is going down. We have accumulation for this one over the support. Zora is getting near, guys. It's getting near our box. It's getting near our support around the 20, the 18 and the 16. AI doing all right. AI is pumping. CVNA is about to pump. So CVNA looking really interesting, and FRC as well, because you're getting near a breakout zone, both of them. And AI is going toward our profit taking finally, the 25, 29. We have unusual price action yesterday because the meeting of the Fed yesterday, that's why the price went down for the whole market. So this is normal. And now we have a continuation, healthy continuation for AI. Okay, CVNA is breaking. CVNA is breaking our level. AI 10%. Box is getting shorted. Box is getting shorted. Alert. Box getting shorted. 25. This should be a support and a reversal for BOXD. 33 was, after all, our resistance. CVNA testing. Test for the $9.30 first. Let's see now a break for this level and hold above the $9.30. We don't want to get rejected here. BOXD is getting shorted big time. Getting near BOXD, getting near the support, the 25. FRC slow action today, slow action. CVNA, another try to break the $9.30. We held really great here around this level. If we break this level, this would be a great entry for CVNA toward the $9.89, and of course beyond toward the 10. Now is a critical moment for CVNA. No rejection here. We need a pump. We already held our bottom, the $8.40. Now is the idea is to have a breakout from the $9.30 and go in here, the $9.80. See, we're still testing. We're still testing this level. And yeah, the volume a bit light for CVNA, but it's over the 3 million. Not that bad. FRC. and decision for FRC. We have a huge wick here. Then price bought back with a huge wick down. Now consolidating in between. You know, those kind of trade, I don't like them. You know, when we actually consolidating here, it's really risky. Everything goes. There's no action here. There's no action, so I'm not interested. You know what I'm interested for FRC? Breaking the 13, I'm gonna short. Breaking the 1478, I'm gonna buy. In between is child play, you know. Is kind of is like you're asking a girl out on a date and she's never tell you no or yes. She's just playing hard to get, you know. And she just want attention from you and make you in a like a miserable situation. You don't know if she like you or not. This is what happened right now for FRC, man. Come on, get out with me. It's like, maybe have to check my family, have anniversary, and I don't know. So it's the same situation here for FRC. Come on, get out, go up. Okay, you don't go out, get down. It's undecided now, man. FRC is undecided. Yeah, AI doing really good below the 25. Below the 25. Box is reversing. Yes. Box is reversing. Yes. 25, guys, as we talked about it. Before we said the 25 is our bottom. That's why the price is reversing now. Great reversal. Okay. We watch BOXD to test the 33 once again, power hour. 25 is our bottom. Interesting. Azora going near our bottom. We suggest that the price is overbought and kind of have to consolidate down and find a support. That's why the price got faked out here and went down. AI, oh man, AI going down. We went until the 25. That's why we have a bit of rejection. The 25 is the first profit taken and a resistance. 25, brother, 25. And CVNA got kind of rejected. $9.30. $9.30. Sneaky bastards. Boxed, oh man, reversing, box is reversing. Good reversal from the bottom, the 25. Good reversal for BOXD. Yeah, FRC going down, man. GameStop is stopping. GameStop is stopping for a station to fuel up. Is have a great reaction yesterday, but the the good reaction happened in pre-market and after hours, because when the market opened, we got a huge sell-off, but we're still holding at least 30% gain from yesterday. And today, slow action. CVNA, slow action as well near this breakout. FRC, the same, in between. AI looking juicy and interesting. 10% today. Great reaction for AI. Now we're gonna test our first profit taking, the 25. This is a really interesting question. CDTX got FDA approval, but the price, it didn't show any reaction, and we went down instead, 17% down. You see what's going on with the news? Sometimes the news good, but we get this kind of reaction, price going down. Yeah, we got, I think, bad earnings and revenue. Yeah, really bad earnings and revenue. Last earning was really good, and this one was really good, but this earning really bad. 23rd in pre-market. Yes, that's why, John. Bad earnings and bad revenue for pre-market today. Really bad. That's why the price jumped 17%. Now is testing still our ascending channel. There's a potential support for this one to hold if we don't want to have a sell-off above the $1.14. $1.14. So CDTX is normal to have this kind of sell-off. It happened before after the gap. You see here we have a huge sell-off. Let me just check how much we did from here. 52%. And the other day we did almost 40%, and now we did almost 30%. So this is normal. This stock is going 50% and the next day jump 50%. So this is welcome to CDTX world. Is kind of for heavily volatile stock, and usually react against the fundamental. So this kind of stock, as we said, never traded fully, and because usually have I don't know, like some of you said FRC is a bipolar stock. I think CDTX is bipolar stock as well. A fresh sticker, no bag holders. Now I think the bag holders or stock that make people bag holders is like vampire, you know? It's like sucking people dry. Like you see a stock have potential acquisition, potential FDA approval, then it gets hit the market with a new IBO and people buying it, then people averaging down on it, and will be a trap. So there's hidden stocks like vampire. Watch out, guys. There's hidden stocks up there. They're sucking you dry if you bought them. So we have to be extremely careful with them. Yes, Jim, exactly. I agree with you. This is normal. Look, guys, for FRC, we went almost 100% down. So it's crazy what happened in span is just few months. And this is normal that people don't have the confidence anymore in the banks. That's why the price even go up, it gets shorted. Go up, get shorted. Go up, get shorted. So what I suggest in this kind of scenario is buying and selling, not holding, not averaging down, because we don't still have confirmation for recovery for the stock. And the last chance to recover was the $50. If we had this recovery from the breaking for the $50, I would tell you if RC would have potential squeeze over the 100. But we didn't, and the price I see now still continue to go down around the $13. So it's risky. That's why those stocks, there is potential money-making machine here for those stocks. If we buy with the market maker when the jump happen and sell around the profit taking, not averaging down, not buying more, not getting greedy, but buying around the support, selling around the resistance or profit taking, and get out as soon as possible. And then we enter once again once we have a potential entry. It's really hard to do because when the price go higher, you get FOMO because you think the price will go to all-time high over the 200 and 100, And what's happened, even if you buy and sell, and you made, let's say, 50,000% or let's say 1,000% profit, one trade will actually wipe you out if you just bought around the top for a big gain, and then you didn't actually exit it and you averaging down and the price continue to go down. The trick is knowing when you exit. This is the idea. You average down for a normal stock that don't have potential bankruptcy, like Apple or Tesla or other stock that already face big bankruptcy problem and recover from it. So the odd is not against them. Everything is probability. So if a stock managed to survive many collapse in the market and they went even higher after that, the probability of those stocks go bankrupt is almost less than 1%, let's say. And the other stock like FRC is 50-50. You see, high potential, there's higher potential risk and high potential reward to it. Wait a second, let me just check CS. No, John, no, the CS is not in better shape because we have a breakout for the support here. Now we are below it, so it's tricky now. Is a bit tricky now. Yeah, CS is tricky. Is below the $1. BOXD going down once again. Yeah, the market is slow today. Let's check this one, DHHC. Low volume jumping 127%. I think it's hit its peak around 26. Now is time to short, I think. We got yeah, it's time to short. Already jumped. CDTX. Box is still holding over the 25. Zora testing the resistance around the 26. CVNA still hugging the resistance. FRC is going down. Yeah, slow market today. Slow market. Yeah, PACW going to test the support around the $9.50. Yeah, the short is still controlling this stock. Still. Wow. So even Tesla didn't have enough strength to break the resistance. We didn't have the energy. For AMD, have double top, almost 4%. Nvidia as well. Snap 8%. Great reaction from Riot. V-shaped recovery for Riot. COSM bumping from the bottom. It's been a while last time we discussed this one because this happened, reverse split 1 to 20, and then that happened, and then accumulation down. So yeah, this one not looking good now. Another test and rejection. Open going 21%, testing the resistance at the moment around the $1.89. Profit taking should be around the $2.40, and now we got the bottom around this time around the $1.15. So yeah, $1.89 breakout. Let me just put it there, just below the $2, yeah, just below the $2, to have a breakout toward the $2.40 and then the $3. So we have two profit taken, $2.40 and the $3 mark, or below the $3, around the $2.92. Interesting play for this one. We got many people asking about the SPY. The SPY doing all right. Yeah, we got the support is still holding, and we got potential test around the 425 would be a great pump toward this level in coming days. NEO is still below the resistance, the $9.65. Yeah, MD looking interesting. We see that the market is kind of testing. We don't have like confident from the traders. We have some cautious. GameStop is moving. GameStop is moving. GameStop is moving. $23. Let's see a test for the 68 or 66, yeah. GameStop was sleeping, now is moving. Red to green. Red to green. Let's see. Continuation 25, 24, 25, 26. Let's see. A pump, come on. GameStop is moving. $26, 27, 28, 30. What? This is madness. The spread, man, the spread is really big on GameStop. $27, $28. Let's see a pump until the 66. Now the market is moving. Now the market is moving. CVNA is pumping. FRC is testing our level of support. AII testing the profit taking. BBY is pumping from the box. Box is pumping from below. Open is pumping. So something is about to happen now to the market. Okay, GameStop is pumping 33. Let's see another pump. 38. $36. Yeah, now we might have a squeeze. The squeeze, lemon squeeze. Let's go. Yeah, FRC is really weak. AI is really strong. AI looking interesting. Wow, AI looking really good. GameStop as well looking good. CVNA, we have to watch for the 980 and this support around the 9, over the 9, yeah. So we got two levels to watch. $9.80. GameStop is squeezing. Yeah, GameStop is about to squeeze. AI breaking. First profit taking hit for AI. GameStop is going down from near the profit taken, as we said, the 24.66. Potential rejection. Never stop raining. Never stop raining. Each day is a rain here in France. I'm not complaining. I know. Back then, people dance and kill babies for rain. Now we take this for granted. When we have a rainy day, we want the sun, and when we have a sunny day, we complain we want the rain. Oh man, we're getting really soft and worrying about the little things or the nature. Let nature do its thing. We want to control even nature. This is make me like question about humanity. I have this ingrained in my DNA as well. I complain about the weather as well, but I try to say to myself, why? Come on. A lot of people want rain. A lot of people want sun, so don't complain about nature. Our mother nature, let it do its thing. Yeah, John, of course, no holy water. That's why the market is slow. GameStop, drawback. CVNA still holding. FRC 13, guys. This is really crazy level to hold. If we don't hold it, we're gonna have a major sell-off once again. 13. Interesting level, $13. AI testing. AMD is pumping a new high. AMD a new high. Wow, yeah. Slow market today. Yeah, DHHC still have a new high. It's not finished yet. Interesting. FRC hit our scan now. Okay, we have a bounce from the bottom, the 13. We went until the 1350, 1315. Interesting. Still not a significant break, because the break should happen. What's going on here? It should happen around the 1480 instead. Still accumulating inside here. There is no action here. Yeah, FRC is cooking and slow fire. Who like cooking on slow fire? You see, even food, when it cooked on slow fire, it tastes really good. So this is a good analogy for investment. So if you have something prepared, or you invest for the future for a long time, and you compound with adding money and some stocks, and you invest each day, you can see the compounding effect after 10 years or 20 years. You see the benefit of investing, but it's not today, it's not tomorrow. You see it in the big picture, you see it after a few years. So the same here for FRC. In the small time frame right now, we see something is cooking. Yeah, it's slow market. Yeah, it's boring, of course. But once you take your eyes away from the chart, something about to happen. That's why we have to put alert, a trap for if you want to. It's better for explaining with metaphor. So it's trap, So even if you slept, you can get you hunt a gazelle, or I don't know, whatever. If you don't put trap and you sleep, you end up sleeping hungry. So the idea is put traps and just leave the chart. So for our trap is around the $13 and around the 1478. In between is slow action for FRC. GameStop still we don't have interesting action here. Let's switch to Tesla. Still as well for Tesla, when the market opened, big whale bought Tesla. You see this action here. We got almost over 100k of share of Tesla being bought here around this candle when the market opened. Now we have accumulation up, so there's a preparation maybe in power hour breaking the 200. For Nvidia the same, we have a gap instead, and the price is still gravitating high for a new high around the 276. Meta as well. Oh man, we have the same reaction for the whole market. New high for all of them. AMD already pumped on new high. Now 104. AMD is pumping for a new high. Yeah, AI on fire. AI is on fire. And AMD is still pumping. Meta is pumping as well. So we have a huge pump for the whole sectors. Nvidia, we might see a pump for Nvidia now, new high. GameStop is getting shorted once again. CVNA going down a bit. FRC still holding. AI, there's a potential break once again for 25. It was a resistance and profit taking. That's why we have a struggle to overcome it. BOXD is holding above our support. We got yeah, crypto is going up. We got cryptos is going up. Dogecoin, Shiba Coin, Musk. Yeah, we got Bitcoins going really up as well. After yesterday, the Fed meeting, boom, the price went down, then went up. It's pretty volatile now. The price action for Bitcoin is not normal, guys. Really not normal. In smaller picture, at least. In big picture is clear. The 29 is the resistance now. We have a test for the 28,900. 28,900. The price got rejected, and now we have another try to test and break. Dogecoin, there is a potential squeeze now. Around the 7 cents. Yeah, there's a potential squeeze. Interesting play. Ethereum is about to break. That's the reason why Riot is pumping 17%. And I think HUT is pumping as well. Yes, at 9% from the bottom. But Riot looking better. Yeah, Coinbase is down 9%, but now is gaining back momentum. I think we got some news. That's why Coinbase is going down. So Coinbase, why is going down even though the crypto going up? We have a lawsuit from the SEC. We have potential lawsuits from the SEC with this is bad, man. This is bad. That's why we got here selling pressure, but not confirmed. I think you pronounce it wrong. You write it wrong, John. BANL. I can't find it. Interesting. So CVNA still, we don't have any clear indication for strength because we didn't break the $9.30 and hold. You see what happened here? 3 weeks and the price got rejected, but still we have confirmed that the $8.40 as a bottom. We got a great reaction here with 3 green candles. Price got rejected. This is normal around the $9.30, which is a resistant and breakout zone. So the next time we need to hold at least 15-minute candle above the $9.30 to confirm a continuation toward the $9.80 and the $10. Now we have a selling pressure confirming for the short still there. And okay, so let's see if we hold this support. The strong support, of course, around the $8.40, but it would be better if we held above the $8.95 to have a break in power hour. So this would be really interesting to hold for CVNA. FRC the same, $13 the bottom. AI doing really alright, breaking the 25. Ethereum going to all-time high. Yeah, all-time high for Ethereum, at least for this year. We might see the 20,000 for Ethereum now. Yeah, everything's pumping for crypto. Let's check crypto out because we got something going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is going to all-time high. That's why it's about to break the 29 now. 5%, Ethereum 7% and still jumping up. Dogecoin is jumping. Okay, there's something about to happen, guys, for crypto. Those not normal levels that we've been testing now, at least for Dogecoin, Musk, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. Matic is a bit far, this one is near. So yeah, we got some altcoin now. It's really hot. Musk, this one is looking really interesting. Really interesting. This one, 13% top gainer. We might see a huge pump for this one now. Yes, Angelo. Yeah, we have to do that. In Wall Street, Hunter's front of Wall Street. I just checked that Wall Street now is not Wall Street anymore. All the banks, all the traders never trade anymore. Everybody actually go to New Jersey because it's really cheap over there in order to trade and open your hedge funds or something like this. It's near New York. It's not inside New York anymore or in Wall Street. No banks or no trader actually in Wall Street anymore. So Ethereum is the first gainer. We have a huge pump for Ethereum. Yeah, the 2000 will be tested maybe today for Ethereum. Price shift 2000. And Bitcoin is the 30,000. Two critical levels. two critical levels for both of them, and this is will set the game plan for all the altcoin to go higher. I think I'm gonna buy a standing desk, you know. Sitting almost 3 hours is not healthy, man. Oh man. Anyway, we have to finish our live streaming for today, and of course we gonna go to make a video for today, of course, before the market close, regarding stock that have potential to squeeze. And as usual, tomorrow Friday we're gonna do a live streaming around 2 p.m. CT or 9 a.m. Eastern time as usual, to hunt for the tomorrow market, the Friday, and pre-market, of course, if we have a squeeze for mini stocks, and request a stock from all of you guys. We have to prepare for the market each day as usual, to discuss the entry point and profit taking for mini stocks. And I think GameStop will be one of them, FRC as well, if we broke the resistance or we broke the support. And if we broke them after we finish our live streaming, we're gonna do a chart analysis update for them here as usual on day trade, not swing trade, day trade. And we got some question here, I think. Yes, okay. Geo, okay, great. So we have okay, what's position you opened here? Average price, I think this one trade, I don't know what's the name. Yeah, Netflix. Yeah, we talked about yesterday for Netflix. You asked me about where's the entry and where's the profit taken. Good hunt, brother. Good hunt for the Netflix. You are welcome. You are welcome. And Coinbase, yeah, this is good, my brother, that you took the profit before Coinbase going down. So this is good. Great hunt for Coinbase. We hunted Coinbase actually when it was before the pump and before Bitcoin jumped. So yeah, great gain for Coinbase before the selling pressure. You see, always take your profit on the way, because everything goes. You see what's happened for Coinbase going down after the potential lawsuit, and it's good to protect your profit and then entering on other profit taking an entry point that we're going to discuss for Coinbase. So as we said, guys, thank you for watching, and of course we're gonna do update for the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow. If you have any question for me how to join our Discord or Patreon and how everything's work, you can actually send me a message directly on tradingjustice.jesus.contact@gmail.com. I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, see you guys in the next video.